Hey Aqua Nation, this is Mark Gravelding. Welcome to Circuit H2O. This athletic, aquatic fitness workout features 3 equipment stations: handheld buoyancy, noodles, and drag resistance. At each station, we'll perform 5 exercises at high intensity for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of recovery. This first exercise is going to be a straddle jump with long arm pull downs. We've got foam in our hand, so when we're doing shoulder extension, pulling our arms down, we're targeting the lats, we're targeting the tricep, we're targeting the posterior deltoid, and we're straddle jumping at the same time. Big straddle jumps. Here we go. Those gloves are displacing more surface area, more resistance as we squeeze in doing chest flies, working pectoralis, anterior deltoid on the way in. And as we pull out, working those postural muscles, the posterior deltoids as we pull out. Here's how it looks. We're basically doing, if you can imagine this, mountain climbers. We're doing that knee flexion and hip extension. I'm really trying to squeeze through my glutes in the suspended position. I look like I'm almost in a cycling class, but we're not really doing a pedaling motion. We're doing more mountain climbers. The twist here is that the same 5 exercises at each station will be performed a second time without equipment. Why do a circuit like this? 3 reasons. Number 1, muscles are targeted differently with and without equipment. Number 2, you could have half of your class doing the exercises with equipment and half doing it without, and then you could switch, and that means you only need half as much equipment. And number 3, I wanted to prove to my students that you really could work hard without equipment. I think some of my students are addicted to equipment. Only now we're repeating all 5 of those exercises without equipment, so you can see that you can work just as hard. Here's the first exercise. These are the straddle jumps with that shoulder flexion and extension. Now we are working extension and flexion. And so our anterior deltoid is coming into the equation here as we bring our arms up, and it's lats, tricep, and posterior deltoid as we bring the arms down. Here we go. Keeping those hands big, trying to keep those thumbs positioned up. In and out, in and out, jogging, really driving those arms in and out with those chest flies. Thumbs positioned up here to try to keep that better shoulder position. Big hand surface, big jogs. Uh-oh, I've got to do that cycling without the noodle. How am I gonna do this? So what's going to happen is I'm going to lean forward, I'm going to pitch forward, and it's kind of like a suspended level 3 jog. But you have to throw those shoulders forward a little bit so you can get back into hip extension. My arms have to move here to stabilize me suspended. If I wasn't using my arms, I'd sink right down to the bottom. The full video and the notes for the Circuit H2O workout are currently posted on the Fit Motivation website. Go check it out. And be sure to subscribe to the Fit Motivation video newsletter, and you'll get the latest video clips emailed to you once a month. It's free. Sign up.